Good day guys, today I'm going to be installing the Victoria airliner for my 29 wheel set and on my stump jumper. Let's take a look. Firstly, remove the wheels lah. Alamak, must remove lah the wheels. You know how to install, correct or not? Huh? After that, remove the air from the valve. Press the tire hard to release the bit away from the rim, okay? Use the tire lever and pry open the tire away from the rim. Voila! Oh, like macam magic like that. Suddenly come out the tire. Next, take out the airliner from the back. This one also must tell you, man. Alright, so wrap the airliner around your rim and there's an excess of the foam, so you have to cut it, okay? So now you can see I'm marking the foam with a pen knife and also cutting it to size. Yeah, okay, careful wait your hand kena the pen knife painful, you know. Okay, after you cut, then you have to make two holes at both ends. Okay, you see I'm using a normal screwdriver just to make two holes, and they give you a cable tie, green color one. Then you secure both ends together with the cable tie. Yeah, very easy. So I'm using all this using my normal home tools lah. Don't need to be use special tool one. Okay, tighten the cable tie. Alright, and cut the ends. Okay, make sure all swee. So I am going to install one side of the tire to the rims first. Alright, so make sure you check the rotation, okay? Okay, next I'm going to insert the airliner into the tires. Okay, putting it in. Masuk already, very good. Okay, next I am pouring the sealant at the bottom of the tire, because I don't have any syringe or hose lah, budget, you know. See, so nobody sponsor me mah. This one also budget. So before you install the tire inside the rim, okay, I use soap lah, spray all around the side wall and also inside the airliner. So it's going to make your installation very easy and smooth, so slippery. Understand? Using my fingers as hard as I can, press the tire masuk inside the rim. Do it slowly, okay? Don't kelang kabut. Because of the airliner inside, it's going to be very hard lah. So do it slowly. Masuk, tekan as hard as you can. Okay, you will come to a point where you cannot push in the tire anymore. Now I'm using one tire lever to hold the position of the tire on top. Now I'm using a flat tire lever, and at the opposite side of the tire, I am releasing some pressure by pushing in the lever. This is to disengage the tire from the bit. By releasing this pressure, later you can safely or easily put the rest of the tires into the rim. Okay, so I'm gonna try to attempt to seat the tires into the rims at the other side. This is gonna be a very hard side, so I'm going to use 3 tire irons or tire levers. You can see I'm using my knee to hold one of the tire lever. Okay, because I only got 2 hands mah, so use knee lah to support. See, easy right? Anyway, don't forget to use a good tire lever, guys. Don't use the cheap one, very soft one. No good. This one you must buy the hard one. Okay, hard and a bit long one. Alright, so check your tires, rotating it around. Check every bit is inside the wheels or the rims. Next, I'm going to pump the tire until the tire set the bit. So you will hear the pop sound, understand? Pop. Then you know your tire is inside the wheel safely. Set your desired pressure. I'm using 25 to 28 now. After that, rotate your tires, bump up and down so that the sealant will distribute inside evenly. Alright, easy right? Okay. See, very easy what. So if you don't know how to do, send shop lor.